What is global warming? Global warming is the unusual rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily due to the greenhouse gas released as people burn fossil fuels. Temperatures are certain to go up further. Despite ups and downs from year to year, global average surface temperature is rising, and experts see the trend is accelerating. All but one of the 16 hottest years in NASA's 134-year record have occurred since 2000. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide, CO2, and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface.
Climate change and global warming have already happened. Temperatures are rising, drought and wildfires have started to occur more frequently, rainfall patterns are shifting, glaciers and snow are melting, and the average global sea level is rising. 10% of the ice has already melted in the caps. This has been a problem for 2.5 million years already, where the climate has been fluctuating, but since the last century, the Earth has started becoming warmer rapidly, from 1.2 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. In 2019, we emitted 50% more greenhouse gases than the year 2000. This is mainly because our population is rising rapidly. More people, higher greenhouse gas emissions. Global warming is also affected by economic growth. The richer and better our lifestyle is, the more greenhouse gases we emit. For example, one programmer in a developed country would emit more than 50 farmers in a not developed country. And everywhere we go, countries are getting richer and developed. This causes an even higher increase in the statistics. But once the countries are developing, they find more in energy efficient solutions. And the more energy efficient something is, the fewer greenhouse gases are produced. But once this factor increases, more people use this resource and the overall consumption would not be equal to what we may think. But we can conquer global warming, and this will happen only if we work hard and together.
Did you know that global warming has emerged to be one of the largest environmental issues in the last 2 decades? It has been growing tremendously, not only harming the environment, it is also harming us humans, our health, how we breathe, and a lot of other factors. Greenhouse gases, which include carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. Global warming may even lead to habitat loss for the animals of the region. Did you know that 1 million species of animals and plants face extinction due to climate change and human activity? It was once said that humans are increasing and humanity is decreasing. Through this statistic, it presents how humans carelessly burn down fossil fuels and how they are cutting down the wide ranges of trees. Greenhouse gas emissions had been led by China in 2019 and to the present day. But on the other hand, the United States and the UK have emitted the highest number of greenhouse gases till date.
Only if we switch to renewable sources today and give time will we be able to find the solution in the future. This way, we will be able to compensate for economic growth and the increasing populations. It is the only way we will be able to achieve a zero carbon world in the future. The solution to the problem of global warming is to power your homes with renewable energy, and that will help because renewable energy will not emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. You should drive fuel efficient vehicles because when you use less fuel, you generate fewer emissions. You should reduce water waste because it takes a lot of energy to pump, heat, and treat your water. You should buy better bulbs that use less energy and are enough for you. The government should increase taxes on non renewable sources and make the renewable energies tax lower. They could even funnel taxes into renewable energy and leave nuclear power plants online longer. Canada signed the Kyoto Protocol. It committed to reducing its greenhouse gas emissions.